If you're seeing this video, you probably just got your Seint makeup in the mail, and I am so excited to show you how to apply it. And if you're seeing this video and you're not sure what the heck I'm talking about, find the link in my bio and get a color match. Now let's get started. I am working with the palette 8 today. You may have a different size, but that's okay. It's all going to go on the same way. For this video, I'm going to use my 2 favorite brushes that I always recommend. However, if you don't have brushes, you can paint it on with your fingers, or if you have another brush. However, I always recommend using cream brushes because they will make your application so much better. I'm going to start with my contour and use the detail brush, which has this flat end. I'm going to tap into my contour, never swipe because you get too much product. And you can see where the product is on the edge of my brush. I'm going to feel for the top part of my cheekbone, which meets my hairline, and I'm going to sit my contour right there. And then I'm going to tap it into my skin, not swipe, and then just bring it inwards just a little bit. Again, we're pressing it in like so. And you don't want to go really past your outer corner of your eye. Then I'm going to put some on my forehead, right along my hairline, and then just on the bottom of my jawline and go upwards right here, kind of like in a curve. So it kind of cuts it off like this to minimize a double chin. And this is how it should look once it's applied. Then I'm going to go in with a more smaller, dense end of my blush and bronzer brush. Again, we're going to tap into the product and apply our main highlight shade everywhere where we didn't put contour. So this is the one that should look closest to your skin tone and will even out your skin tone, minimize any redness, etc. And I'm going to switch back to the detail brush and use the smaller end, tap into my brightening shade, which is also kind of like a concealer, and apply it to the inner corner of my eye, the outer corner of my eye, right here on my forehead, and then just on the tip of my nose, and you can even put it down here on your chin. So a quick recap, we've got contour, we've got our all over foundation everywhere we didn't put contour, and then we've gotten our brightening shades around the center of our face. I'm gonna go back to my blush and bronzer brush, and I'm gonna use that same smaller dense end, and I'm going to blend it all by pushing into my skin. So for my contour, I'm going to blend upwards in motions like this, so pushing in and swiping upwards, then downwards into my neck for my jawline contour, up into my hair for my forehead contour, and then blend a little bit upwards to just blend it all together so you don't see any harsh lines and the product just kind of melts together. Using that same end I used to blend, I'm going to add my blush. For your blush, you want to apply it 2 fingers past your nose and then press again into your skin in circular motions above your contour line. The colors are highly pigmented, so just use a little bit of product and then build it up to the color that you want. And this is the finished look for my basic makeup application. I hope this helped, and make sure to follow me for more beauty tips and tricks.